Instagram is a fantastic social networking site for sharing pictures, videos, and stories. You can make $500 per post and get paid for Instagram posts. While Instagram continues to grow in popularity, it has grown into a massive company for photo and video sharing social networking, and companies are approaching numerous Instagram influencers. Is it possible for you to be one of them? Instagram does not compensate creators for their work, nor does it compensate advertisers in the same way that YouTube does. Getting paid for Instagram posts is the most simple way to make money here. As a result of it being the most popular and successful service, people frequently start their e-commerce business here and approach influencers in their industry. I'm sure you've all seen an Instagram post where someone you follow, celebrities, athletes, bloggers, YouTubers, and others, is posing with a brand. I've noticed it several times, and the thought that comes to mind is that I could also be an influencer and make money per post on Instagram. But when I got to each and every one of them, my first reaction was, it's not as easy as I imagined it would be. How much can I get paid for an Instagram sponsored post?
इन्फोप्लेस देखने वाले तमाम दोस्तों को खुशामदीद। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको आने वाली हर वीडियो से मुताल्लिक मालूमात मिलती रहें।
It's entirely dependent on you and the niche in which you are operating, as well as the brand. It largely depends on the number of people who follow you and the percentage of people who engage with your postings. You must always be genuine while dealing with organic followers. According to my study, you can earn anywhere from $12 to $500 every post, and much more. So, if you've ever dreamed of making money by simply posting Instagram photos, then follow the steps. What is the best way to get sponsored on Instagram? By way of brands. While there are a few things that are required, if you have these, you will be able to simply obtain brand bargains for a sponsored article. So here are some fundamentals. 5K to 100K plus followers, organic with good engagement level, high quality posts, audience retention, post consistently, be in a targeted niche, have a good bio. So, let me explain you the 4 fundamentals, so that you may receive a sponsored post and start earning money by implementing them. 1. Choose a niche. Those who are unfamiliar with the definition of niche, allow me to explain. When you post, you should be related to a common thing, which is known as niche. A topic that is both targeted and one that you enjoy. So, first and foremost, you must choose a specialty. Any of these niches are open to you. Health and fitness, travel, beauty, lifestyle, technology, pets, food, games, and much more. So, once you've chosen the ideal topic, start posting high-quality photographs connected to it. Assume you're sharing images of health and fitness, and the quality of your posts is good. Now, if a health and fitness firm comes out with a new weight loss product, you may approach them for sponsorship, or they may send you an email. As a result, it all depends on the brands and influencers' respective niches, so that both parties benefit. Where the brand makes money, and you are compensated for your Instagram posts. So, once you choose a specialty, just be as clever and as wise as possible. 2. Grow your account. Everyone requires a significant number of followers. And organic followers are really significant, because these figures are used to evaluate whether or not you should be sponsored. As we all know, Instagram has more than 700 million daily active users and 4 billion likes. In today's generation, the majority of company accounts on Instagram were created solely for the purpose of branding and generating sales. You can easily obtain up to 15K organic followers if you are persistent with Instagram. Create your own distinct and identifiable visual style. If you want to get paid for Instagram posts, you'll need to follow the steps outlined to increase your followers and reach the quantity of followers you require. Post consistently, use proper hashtags on your posts, collaborate with others, conduct giveaways, best bio, engage with followers, analyze your time and keep improving, maintain grid, go live, lavish your stories, use IGTV, write engaging captions. Posting images is crucial. You should post high-quality photos on Instagram on a regular basis. Adobe Lightroom is the best program for photo processing. This software will give your images a fantastic color impact and will manage them flawlessly. Post at least one photo every day, and if you don't, take a 2-day break. Also, make an effort to post videos in order to maintain a high level of engagement with your audience. Hashtags are the most cost-effective way to contact your target audience, and they also increase your visibility to that demographic. I'm sure you're utilizing hashtags, but remember that the right hashtags matter, so utilize hashtags that are relevant to your post and leverage your content. Always keep in mind that Instagram stories may be incredibly effective when combined with the right hashtag and location tag, resulting in more views and engagement. Every day, upload at least 7 Instagram stories to stay connected. You should also go live once a week so that you can continue to communicate with your viewers. Also, publish IGTV videos so that your viewers may see a longer video. I hope you use all of these suggestions to expand your account and be paid for your posts. 3. Brand approach. Did you know when you should approach a brand about getting your Instagram posts sponsored? If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me explain. Most of the time, companies will contact you for a paid sponsorship, but if you're getting brand deals but aren't worth it, you'll need to contact them yourself and ask for the deal. While there are other ways to obtain sponsorship, the following are the ones I prefer. The first step is to wait for their deals. The second thing you should do is send an email to the branding firm. The third option is to spy on your rivals' sponsors and send them an email with a higher expectation of branding with your profile, so that they may lead to more sales, and you can be compensated for your sponsorship. There are also numerous approaches to learn about the branding firm name, so that you can be compensated for publishing images on Instagram. While there are 3 options: spy competition, mail the brands, search brands, and DM them. It's also a good idea to DM brands working for you on Instagram after you've found them on Instagram and ask for a sponsored post. Collaboration with the sponsor. You can also reach out to them through mail. 4. How to work with the sponsors. Wait, the narrative doesn't end with the approval of an agreement for your sponsored article. When working with sponsors, there are a few things you should keep in mind. So, while you're cooperating with businesses, keep the following elements in mind. Confirm payment, read terms and conditions carefully. The post should be seen as a sponsored post. Paid partnership with brand. How many posts for one sponsorship? As a result, always confirm the amount of money you will receive for the sponsored content. You may have multiple posts to upload, so bear in mind the time and effort that went into each one before asking for a certain number. Always read the contract thoroughly because it contains important information such as payment, responsibilities, and more. Keep in mind whether the contract says exclusive sponsorship, which implies you can't advertise any other companies that aren't as useful or profitable to you, or non-competing, which means you can't promote a competing brand at the same time. You can't endorse Nike if you're marketing Adidas, for example. So, these are the fundamentals you should be aware of if you are being sponsored or compensated for an Instagram post. While newcomers who receive their first sponsorship are always negotiated with and paid less for the position. So, whether you're a newbie or not, always remember that the amount you'll be paid must satisfy you. And I hope you found this video useful and learned a lot from it.